Hello all, so welcome back to Think OCI. So today I am focusing on how you can understand the costing structure of OCI cloud. So this is more similar to that AWS Azure GCP calculator. So here we call cloud cost estimator, right? It's OCI cloud cost estimator. So this will give you a high level understanding about different SKUs, what is the cost, list price cost, what are the different services, because in your architecture you know these are the services you are going to spin. But when you talk to the customer, you want to understand how much will be the cost, right? For that, just head to your favorite browser. In Google search, you can use OCI cost calculator. This first link, you can go through this. And here comes the OCI cost estimator page. Okay, so here few more items you need to look here. Say for example, my estimate name. Instead of that, you can put customer BOM, bill of material. Okay, anything you can create like this. Okay, and here you need to make sure that your currency you need, whether it is euro or British pound, AED, like that. Okay, and here you can see different services. In this drop down, you can categorize the services which you know, or you can here search also. Say for example, I need to know MySQL. So MySQL HeatWave on AWS. So you can choose, right? Or another option is in advanced search, you can type the SKU, okay? Like B9146, which is WebLogic Enterprise Edition. So if you know the part number, you can come here and search over here. Or you can do, if it is compute shape, here we have different options like shape family and processor. Say for example, I need one virtual machine. So here I add virtual machine. So for me, I need Intel. The shape I need is standard. Maybe I can use standard E3 Flex. Okay. Or CPU I need 2 and memory 8. Operating system I can choose from here. So I will go for Ubuntu. And whether I need whether I need on demand or capacity reservation, which allow burstable or not. This is the boot volume. So I need 500. These are all different options, right? So you can see all together the VM for this particular machine cost 89.70 cost. Okay, so if you want to add one more service, say for example storage. So I add service. So here I will use object storage. So I click object storage. So I need standard tier. Object storage space maybe 1024 GB and request as 100. You can see the total estimated is 115. Out of that, object storage is 26.18 and my machine is 89, right? Maybe I can add one more service, say for example, Apex development, right? Apex is a low-code development. So if it is a full tier, it's eCPU. So it's auto scaling mode. So peak to 30% of eCPU, and I have 024 GB, and backup I can put 100. Okay. So this way I can able to add the services. And one of the beauty of this OCI cost estimator is here you can able to export the file. So here you can put a name of the file. This is the name of the current file, or I can put customer AB BOM, and I can choose the type. Here we are providing 3 different options like Excel spreadsheet, CSV and JSON. Okay, so you can choose whatever you need. Normally I use Excel. Okay, and that is one export I will do, and next I will do JSON as well. Why? Because once I have downloaded the JSON file, and the advantage is in later stage, if I want to make any modifications on the existing bill of material, I will do is like import. So I can drag and drop the exported file as JSON. You can see only JSON file which is exported can be imported, right? So I can drop here and make import. What it will show is it will give this whatever things I have imported, I can able to import here very quickly, and I can work on that. Okay, so here again, here you can see utilization. This is another main important point which we need to check. So some of the times my customer may not use this virtual machine full time, so they need to use only again one instance, and instead of 24 hours they may be using 10 hours a day for 38 days. In that case, you can see the cost get reduced, right? Because the utilization is based on one instance for 10 hours. Or if you know the total hours in a month the customer needs this particular machine, say for example 200 hours, you put over here, you can see the cost get changed. Okay, so that's it for a high level understanding about OCI cost calculator. So this tool is pretty much good enough for you to understand the different services, its costing, and everything. So this will help you to understand more about before you spin up the cloud instant cloud services, how much will be the cost, expected cost will be applicable on your cloud. Okay, so I will share one more PDF over here. I will paste this link in both links in our video description. Okay, so another important thing is like from here you can see 3 dots, right? So here when you click, you can clone this, because if you have a requirement for another virtual machine but the processor may be different or shape may be different, so you can easily edit. And another beauty is here show pricing details. So here you will see the full SKU as well as how much quantity we put, how much is the unit price, how much is the monthly cost. Say for example, I copy this SKU. Okay, so this is the Oracle Pass and IAS Universal Credit Service description. So this is like a Bible for me. So when I click the SKU, when I search for the SKU, I will understand about the full details. So how this is measuring, what are the units of measure. We will get to understand about the full details like instance type, standard flags, billing metrics, how it works, whether it is stopped or terminated, whether the billing will be stopped or not. So these are all very useful information. So now when I work with OCI, basically I use this document, the updated one. Always I will have keeping with me, because when I do the pricing for the customer, all the time I will have a cross check, so I will understand if I have any doubt. Okay, so that's it for today's video. So I hope this cost estimator, OCI cost estimator, is very useful if you, especially you are from a solution or a cloud architect. Definitely you need to talk to your customers upfront about what will be the expected cost, right? And again, these are all list price. If you're really interested in OCI, when you talk to some of your cloud architects of your OCI or sales team, and if your deal is pretty good, decent, they will give you some kind of discounts like 5% or 10% discounts. So I will cover some other videos in future about what are the different types of discounts that is available in OCI. So thanks for watching. So I hope this video is useful. So see you with the next video. Thanks.